Okay, good evening, friends. Welcome back again to Chetu Text 247. Today, we are starting a new topic that is profit and loss. Okay, before going to the topic, as I'm uploading many tutorials in my channel, so if anyone having any queries on them or any doubts, please post in the comments so that I can recover that doubts and I will try to give the best from the next tutorials or next videos. So please do this. It is my request to you all. Okay. Thank you. Coming to this topic, this is very weighted concept. Very weighted. If you take RRB, Group D, or NTPC, or ALP, or any, etc., you take minimum 10 questions. See that? Minimum. Minimum 10 questions. So don't neglect this topic. I will explain pin to pin what is profit, what is dot, what are its applications, and what are the formulas included in it. And all I will explain clearly. Uh, so that after the explanation, I'll explain in this only discount also and greedy shopkeeper application problem also. Is the most important this one and discount also very most important. And after this completion, we will, as usually, we will solve some practice problems that prepared and kept. These are all our previous questions from mainly RRB. I took from RRB and some are from SSC also. SSC. Okay, we will. I am by this I am telling that only RRB aspirants or SSC aspirants for only for them it is not. Everyone can see. Same models are covered. Just question framing and numericals may change in every exam. Okay. Everyone can see this video and view. Yes. Okay. Basically, first profit. We know that profit. Before going to profit, you should know about two terms: CP and SP. CP means cost price. SP means selling price. Okay. Cost price and selling price. Cost price means if we assume A is shopkeeper and B is customer. If B buys from A, okay, that is CP. Uh, A sells to B, that is SP. Okay, in short, the amount on which we sell to others is called SP. The amount in which he buys, shopkeeper buys is called CP. Okay, will I will explain based upon one question practically. You may understand easily. Next, CP means cost price, SP means selling price. Okay, now going to profit. Profit means you all know something we gain on between it on behalf of a transaction between a shopkeeper and a customer or any field. Something which we gain on upon the transaction is called profit. Okay. For example, mm, profit is divided by P. So P is equal to C. If, for example, if A is there, A is selling to B. So A must get profit or loss. Anything he should get because he brought from an external source and giving to this customer. So he is maintaining one shop or any something he wants to maintain some infrastructure and he may gain some amount because he is serving to the customers and buying from others. So he should get some profit percentage, some gain on amount. So he is buying from others, that is CP for him. He is selling to the customers, that is SP to him. Okay. If he is selling amount, that is SP greater than his buying amount, then we get profit. Therefore, by the formula, we can write that SP minus CP, how much we get is the profit in rupees. Okay. In rupees. Okay. Rupees symbol. If we want how much percentage of profit he got upon the transaction, upon that transaction is equal to profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100 because we want in percentage. Okay. This is the formula. Profit by CP into 100. Okay. How much he got from others, how much he profit got in that whole amount, how much he extra gained. If we divide and multiply with 100, we get profit percentage. Okay. This is all about profit. Now we will go to loss. Loss. Loss is generated by L. Capital L is equal to C. One scenario. A is shopkeeper. C. Loss is equal to. If A is shopkeeper, B is customer. Okay. Consider he is buying from external source, that is CP. He is selling to B, that is SP. If loss means something should be is something he should gain loss. Okay, something he is expected amount than the amount which he get from the by selling is expected than less amount he is getting. He is receiving the less amount what he expected. Okay, the amount which he expected is less than his income. That is that the scenario is called loss. That implies CP greater than SP. In this case, we get loss. Okay. So therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. This is the formula. This is the scenario. Same as usually, if we want loss percentage is equal to total loss incurred by CP into 100. Okay. Total means his kept amount and loss means he got into 100. If we do, we get loss percentage. Okay. This is the basic information about the profit and loss. If we go upon further, there are questions like if uh, a product has some amount, some cost price, something cost price there, the shopkeeper had given some discount on that. Okay, discount is denoted by capital D. Percentage discount is generally percentage only. Discount percentage was given. Now, uh, how they will give the discount once we will see how they will give the discount percentage by CP is general initial thing by increasing the CP to certain amount extra. If for suppose 1 rupee is there, they will give 1% sorry 10% discount by how they will give the discount by increasing the 1 rupee to 3 rupee. That increased amount is called MP. Okay. Here the CP will not come into the scenario. Only the MP will come into the scenario because someone is giving discount on the product means his original cost he will not keep. I will explain it. The original amount what it was there on the product he will not keep that because giving extra discount means he will get a loss definitely and of course he will get loss. So by hiking the price he will give the discount. Okay, this is the general scenario outside also. In problems also, we will see same scenario only. So, if the question mentions discount percentage is given on that product, then definitely MP will be given. Okay. Okay. If MP was not given, ultimately our task is to find the MP. Fix. The CP won't come here. MP will only X. Okay. MP means market price. Market price means something hiked. Market price. Some greater than CP. MP is. Okay. Now, discount percentage is equal to total discount in amount rupees by MP into 100. Like profit percentage, like that only. Profit and loss only. This is a discount percentage. Okay. If we have a formula that discount in rupees is equal to, not discount percentage, only discount is equal to SP. Okay. See here. So discount is equal to MP minus SP. So from that, SP is equal, selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Okay. Now, in scenario, we will take SP means the shopkeeper will sells to the customer. So customer, if we give discount, the market price, the customer in which he sees the price minus discount. In scenario also, we will check like that only. MP minus discount, that is selling price. Now, if you substitute this D here, SP is equal to MP minus here D means P is equal to MP plus MP minus SP. So that implies SP is equal to MP minus D. Okay. In previous, you know that D discount percentage is equal to D by MP into 100. From that, we will write it as this SP is equal to MP into 1 minus D by MP into 100. Okay. This is the formula for selling price in the terms of discount. As I told, I will explain some greedy shopkeeper problem. His formula is the scenario is he will measures ante he will measures the wrong weight. That is, some weight was there. The initially the weight was true weight. He will measure as it as a false weight. Okay. So now the correct profit percentage, because check that if total is 1 kg, if the shopkeeper measures it for 800 grams, the who will get profit? Obviously, shopkeeper will get, because one instead of 1 kg is giving 800 grams to the shopkeeper. So obviously, we get profit. Profit percentage is equal to true weight minus, okay, true weight minus false weight by false weight into 100. This is the formula for greedy shopkeeper. The most important question, direct question we will get. And last formula we will check um, successive two successive discounts. Two successive discounts. Let A comma B are two successive discounts in percentages. Okay. Then the net percentage AB net discount. AB net is equal to A plus B minus AB by 100. This is the net discount formula. Now, if they in the question they were giving us a shopkeeper gives 20% discount on one product and 30% discount on another product. What is the net discount? Or what is the total discount given on both the items? Like the official question. Then you should submit both. This is if we take it as A and this B, submit substitute in this and find the net discount. Okay. This is the basic idea and formulas for the profit and loss with discounts and greedy shopkeeper problems. Okay. Now we will move on to the problem solving. Going with the first question. A trader buys goods worth 3,000. See, a trader buys goods. Trader means obviously shopkeeper. Shopkeeper buys. Buys means CP for him, 3,000. Okay. And sells them for, and selling means selling to the customer. Okay. He's buying from another person. Who is buying? Trader. Trader will buy and trader is selling to others. In this scenario, who is the shopkeeper or who is the main role? Trader. So the amount which was given here is CP to the trader and SP is 3600. Like this, we should analyze the question and write CP and SP. SP is 3600. Okay. Now, find the profit percentage. By seeing only, we can assume because SP is greater than CP. So we get it as profit by formula, as I told before. Now, find the profit percentage. P is equal to, profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. That implies P is SP minus CP. P is equal to SP minus CP. So by this, 3600 minus 3000 is 600 by CP is 3000 into 100. 3 zeros, 5, 3 is 60. That therefore, profit percentage is equal to 20%. Okay. Next question. Second question. A bicycle is sold for 1440. See, sold means SP. 1440 at loss. Before he is given loss was 10%. Find the cost of the bicycle. CP. Like this, that question only given in the exams also. Don't worry. That implies loss percentage 10 is equal to loss percentage. As we know that formula is loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Okay. By using this, 10 is equal to loss, we don't know. So we'll write loss by CP into 100. Okay. We know that loss is equal to SP minus CP. Okay. By this, we know that loss is equal to CP minus SP. So we will replace it loss. That is 10 is equal to CP minus SP. We know that 1440 by CP. We don't know. That is only required to find. On upon upon calculation, the CP is equal to 160 rupees. Okay. So second question. Now going to third question. Third question. At what price should a shopkeeper sell an article costing 1200 to gain 25%? As I told, gain is alternative name of profit. So profit percentage is equal to 25. At what price should sell an article costing? Okay. To get a profit, that is how much you should sell is asking. That is SP is equal to how much is asking and CP cost an article costing. That is the cost of an article is 1200 rupees. Okay. Now we know that profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. We know that. So profit percentage 25 is equal to SP we don't know. SP minus CP is 1200 by 1200 into 100. This cancel and 25 is equal to SP minus 1200. SP is equal to 1200 plus 25. So SP is equal to 1225 rupees. Adding 1225 gives 1225. Simple question. Next question. A shopkeeper marks his goods 50% above the C. Here the question came. A shopkeeper marks his goods above the 50% of cost price. If you assume CP is 100%, above the 50% means plus 50. That gives MP. So MP is equal to 150% of the particular product. Okay, MP. Now, and use a discount. See, as I told, he will hike the CP to some particular cost, that is MP. So obviously, CP greater than MP greater than CP, and he will give then discount. So discount percentage is equal to 20%. Find the profit, but obviously we'll get profit because 50% increasing and 20% giving me 30%. Maybe we will calculate upon that. on a rough idea, I am giving how to analyze the question. Now, discount, as I told, discount percentage is equal to discount by MP into 100. Okay. He asked us to find the profit percentage. So we will note the profit percentage formula is P by CP into 100. Profit percentage is equal to total profit gained by cost price into 100. Okay. Now, discount percentage was given, that is 20%. Okay. 20 is equal to discount is, that is only should find discount by MP. MP is 150% above the cost price. See, MP is 150. So here we replace the MP value, that is 150. Upon calculation, we get the discount amount is 30 rupees. Okay. Now, we have know that I will this or I will minimize it. We know that SP is equal to MP minus D. Okay. Now SP is equal to MP is 150 minus D is 30. So SP is equal to 20 rupees. We know that value of CP, that is 100, and SP we know that. So we can find easily the profit percentage. Profit by CP into 100. We don't know directly profit, so we'll find the profit. Profit, that is SP minus CP, that is 120 minus 100, so 20 profit. Profit percentage is 20 by CP is 100 into 100. And cancel, P is equal to 20%. Okay, therefore profit percentage is equal to 20%. Simple question. This is the most and very repeated questions. Repeated question. This is a very most important. Next question. This is also like this format question is not there. The question paper won't be there. This is definitely a fixed question. So cost price. Let me assume that cost price is 1 rupee. The cost price of 15 books is equal to selling price of 12 books. Find the profit percentage. In real exam, what is the difference is he will not give the profit directly. He will ask like whether he gets profit or loss. Find its percentage. He will ask. We will compute whether he got profit. We will find profit percentage. Whether he get loss, we will find loss percentage. That's nothing matter. First, we should find whether it is profit or loss. Okay. Now, like this type of questions, if you get directly first follow this process. That is, firstly assume CP is 1 rupee. Okay. Then, uh, 15 books is 1 rupee. That is 15 rupees for 15 books CP. Now, according to the statement, SP of 12 is equal to 15 of CP. That is, SP is equal to 15 by 12 of CP. That is, SP is equal to 15 by 12 into, this is replaced with 1. 15 by 12 into 1, that is 15 by 12. We got SP, we know SP. So we know CP. Then automatically profit is equal to, we can find profit percentage. That I'll explain, right? See, CP is equal to 1 and SP is equal to 15 by 12. Okay. Now required to find this profit percentage. That is P percentage is equal to P. Profit is profit formula we have is only profit. That is SP minus CP. So SP is 15 by 12 minus CP is 1 by CP. 1 into 100. Therefore, profit percentage is equal to, taking LCM, taking up an LCM, 15 minus 12 is 3 by 12 into 100. 3 ones, 4, 4 ones, 425. That implies profit percentage is equal to 25%. Okay. Very most important. This question, previous question. Definite one question will be in the exam. Okay. Next question. See, we got the question. A dealer allows successive discounts 15% and 10%. Let it be A and B. AB net discount is equal to A plus B minus AB by 100. Calculate the net discount and market price is 800. MP we know. Then find the discount because we get here discount percentage. Discount percentage is equal to D by MP into 100. Find this D and we have the formula is SP is equal to MP minus D. First perform this one and after this second step and after the third step, then we get SP, then that is required selling price. Okay, first step is finding the net discount. That is by using this formula because two successive discounts he told. Note that keyword successive. Then after discount percentage we know, find the discount. From it we get discount. Replace the discount in this. We know already empty 800. We will get SP. That is selling price. Simple. Next, seventh question. A man sells two watches, rupees 1000 each. One he gains 20 and other gets losses. Okay. See, a man sells two watches for 1000 each and so first watch is here and second watch is here. Now find this is the SP. Okay. This is the SP given. Now one is gain, that is P percent is equal to 20 and another is loss, L is equal to 20. Now compute CP from both and CP1 and CP2. Add these both CPs and we will get CP net. Okay, CP net is adding by these two CPs and SP is already 1000 is, so SP we know that 2000. Okay, something we will get the CP. If SP greater than CP, then find profit percentage. If CP greater than SP, then find loss percentage. That's it. Each is the here, most important keyword. Next question. Eighth question. A vendor buys 100 oranges for 300. Okay. 100 oranges cost is 300 rupees and 20 were rotten. 20 were rotten means 20 were waste. So we get remaining is 80 and sells each for 4 rupees. That is 320. 84 is each one 4. So 80 is 320. Then here selling is SP and buying is CP. Buying value is 300 and selling is 320. So SP greater than CP, we get profit. That is profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Okay. Now 320 minus 300 by 300 into 100. Compute this, you will get profit percentage. Next. See, this is the dishonest dealer question. That is, see, the dealer uses weight of 800 grams instead of 1000 grams. See, this is the 1 kg. That is true weight. 800 grams is measuring instead of 1 kg. Actually, he should measure 1 kg, but he is measuring 800 grams. So, at true weight and false weight is 800. So, the formula is profit percentage is equal to true weight minus false weight by false weight into 100. Perform this, you will get profit percentage. Next question. A shopkeeper, same, this is same like as ninth question. Okay, thank you for joining this session. Have a great day. Please like and share, subscribe.